Kikhubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi ka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagbanta ke jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, hinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ke jingkuli ke jingseo ka paret but hila ban lagu ban kuli da ke education loan. Hila ruban syukola hu number khandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani khandai pran riu laisan, arn riwe khandai pra.
Ka William Carey University, Meghalaya, haka arpu kandai tarik unailar arajar arfulai. Kala rakhi yaka World Entrepreneurs Day National Seminar, Hybrid Mode, Halor kapang. Entrepreneur Development in Northeastern Region, Building Bridges and Unlocking Opportunities. Yagani ka program lapalong da ka School of Professional Studies, harangkat ka Jinghikai lang bat ka Department of Agriculture, School of Science, William Carey University, Meghalaya. Yagani ka jing rakhi ha ka porman step la play pait ba da ka chairman jong ka Meghalaya Handloom and Handicrafts Development Corporation Limited, ka kong Santa Mary Shila, kabalong ru ka MLA jong ka Sutnga Saipung constituency, rengkat ka jing sakhilang jong ki Jinghikai ka William Carey University, Meghalaya, lambat ki samla puli jong kani ka school ba.
Entrepreneurs are people that create not only for themselves, but they create for everybody. Benefits for the others who are working for them, and benefits for themselves. It is a livelihood. It is a livelihood work to be led by the entrepreneurs, because entrepreneurs are people that not like in a government job that we need to work just less harder. See, a government work, maybe because we know that the salary will come every month. But entrepreneurs, you know, you have to work double harder than what it is. So I appreciate that in Meghalaya, we have now so many schemes are coming up. As you say, even in my own department also, there are so many schemes coming up, and the government is trying to promote and encourage young people like you all. After college, when you finish the college, sometimes we sit at home and we don't know what to do. But all these kinds of schemes that the government is putting up in every department, it is a privilege for all of you. My dear students, you must remember, and I'll tell you something. Maybe we say that, oh, we are not getting jobs, but it is all up to you. You have to look out for it. Nobody will come and give you or spoon feed you. It is all, you have to go to departments, to any department and such, where there's a scheme. We have to search and look, and so that the officers of the department, they will definitely guide you in every way. There are so many schemes, I'm telling you, that will be coming up very soon, and the government is trying really hard. As being said by our noble CM, he wants to give at least 5 lakhs job within these 5 years to everyone in Meghalaya. So this is what he wanted to do. So our vision is that we should create jobs and give jobs to our young people, especially. I'd like to urge all the students of the university that no matter what happens in your life, you should never give up. And never, you know, life is full of struggle and challenges. We need to look up to, especially to our people who are doing so well. Those are like, you can always, you know, go after them. You can always take that advice. You can always take the advice of so many people. My dear students, it is an opportunity after your college. Do something, work something, so that you will have a livelihood in the future. And this future will give so many, it will give life to so many people. Your children, the other people around you. These are very important. So as being a student, Sometimes you may think that, oh, I want to get a government job, my parents will spoil me, my parents will do this and that. Our parents always asking for a job everywhere, trying everywhere, and the students are trying everywhere, but government job is not the only one. That's why entrepreneurs are there. That's why all these jobs being created and the schemes have been created for, like we have the Sengkam group, also that is everywhere in the Meghalaya. So that also it helps many of our women in Meghalaya. In my own constituency, we have about more than 900 groups in my constituency. So these are helping the women, and they work so hard to earn and to get for the family. And the government is fully helping them, giving more funds to those people, to those women who are doing very well. So it is very important that if one door is open, one door is closed, the other door is open. Please, my dear students, remember this, that if you don't get a job, a government job is not the end of the world. So remember that you should always look out for jobs that are available in the state and outside the state.
Glue gun kan ya, di insabuk pada di lights and on wood. Di kilong handmade lut hi baro. Bookmarks nang ta kung kini laban use kitchen, kung kini ru laban chua ka. Di cups kini de ki candles. Di dan kita ki way ki knitted kini ki crochet ru kini ru ki ba laban use as kitchens. Kini deh ki tiar ki bahasna ki student jongi hi kishna handmade kumto ta kilong ki tiar ki bah itna da ki student jongi ki seniors ki so kini ki scrunchies nanta kini ki earrings baru koi kilong handmade tenang ta kini ki kum kaniru kani di way na ki seniors jongi isna hi kini kum kini nang ta kini ki embroidery ru so hi kum kini nang ta ki candles scented candles nang ta ki frame tiba ki pin hi nang ta pencil stand ru kishna recycle tenang ta ki don ki dream catchers ki don kini ki decorative items ki le ki khna nang ta ki don kini ki majority ki baso hi ki don kini ki knitted bags ru hang the ka bar khoi ka di ki bale hi khna jni naga fashion department Sengkam William Carey University
ni le ngani na po ka lam ti boda farm society arsnem gunai le ni da kapangi kan show na po da share jong ki para member hi ting sedang ni kan ya da kapangi mi ni ki dobwa ni ong kanang ba no ban yarap ka jing yade bat kamarian kawai ban yarap ka jing yang kawai jing yo ka jing kot no ban create employ nak bentaki kena kibadan kita kita ni jong ni marboni kini the wise thing to pun tangkap te along pengawan ini ke program sunat pat ban yo pan kendo taban ajeng bon nyaki ru kunjo ru bangin man nyaki ru ni kentiu lang kantang akan marketing ke pengisem sing mentah kadai akan marketing ka sunyi kalau senjar bang lang persang ban ya keren apa ki department te long adu mentah adu bangasdang la persang ban ya keren mo kamdan kata ka no korespon naki ke nyempat yo ke adu mentah la kuno ko nya podi IC ngal persang tapi lalin ngal ale di program tang balong sulit tang tolong min dang marketing pada ini yo ke marketing ke babiang min nang ban man pria yo gini wah watang hapo silong di 48 ya bah apa dia begini sing sunat pan ya ban dan ban ki apa kai yang ke university entah pengiyo ban dan apreng zon ki on ki babon ang tai dan i se baro se pada ba yang keren ya apa ni keren ni siapa tadi yang ya jeng gut sibon yang kalau bajing rap lu hang no kumnu pangin yang harus dijemput